Welcome to Digital Network Solution. In this video, I am going to show you how we can raise a ticket with Digital Network Solution by visiting our website. Let's begin. First, go to the above mentioned URL www.digitalnetwork.com.mp. Once you enter the URL, you go to the home page of the Digital Network Solution. Simply click on the client login on the top right hand corner. Once you click on the client login, you are prompted to the support page. If you already have an account with the Digital Network Solution, you can simply log into the support portal by using your email and password. If you do not have any email and password, and if you do not want to log in or sign up with Digital Network Solution, you can simply create a new ticket by clicking on the new support ticket. I will show you both methods. First, let us create a ticket without having to sign up or log into our Digital Network Solution account. Simply click on the new support ticket, enter your email. After that, you are asked to enter your name. Click on the subject. After that, click on the description. If you have any files to be attached, click on the attach a file. I don't have to attach any files, so I will not be doing that. After that, click on I am not a robot. Then simply click on submit the ticket. In this way, you can raise a ticket without having to sign up to the Digital Network Solution. In the next method, let us log into the Digital Network Solution support and create a ticket. You have to write your email and password here. If you do not have login to the Digital Network Solution support, you can simply click on sign up with us. After you click on sign up, you are prompted with your name and email address. After that, click on I am not a robot option. Then simply click on the register. Once you register to the Digital Network Solution, an activation link will be sent to your email address. Copy the URL in order to activate account and select a password. Simply copy the URL and paste on the browser and hit enter. Now I have already activated my Digital Network Solution account and have set up my password. Now I need to simply log into the account in order to raise a new support ticket. Now I have logged into my account. Now in order to raise a ticket, I need to simply click on the new support ticket. Now I need to type the subject. I need to write a description for my subject. If you need to attach any file, click on attach a file and simply click submit. After this, your support request will be reflected on our Digital Network Solution support portal and an engineer will be assigned to you accordingly. Thank you.